In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing on Windows 11 and fix the Wi-Fi icon not missing. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. You can do it on Windows 11 and Windows 10 as well. So the first thing you want to do is perform a hardware power flush. If your Wi-Fi icon disappeared right after your laptop woke up from sleep mode or a Windows update, the network card's likely stuck in a frozen low power state. So shut down your computer completely, unplug the power charging cable, and press and hold the physical power button for a full 60 seconds. Release it, plug your power cord back in, and boot up Windows. Now this forces a deep hard reset of your wireless motherboard chip. What I can also do is force Windows to reinstall the network adapter. So right click your Windows icon and then go ahead and click on Device Manager. Then what you want to do is find the network adapters area like I'm in right now and expand it. Right click your wireless card. It will usually have Intel, Realtek, or Killer Wi-Fi in the name. And then all you want to do is right click it and then uninstall the device. Then restart your PC immediately, and then Windows is going to notice that your Wi-Fi card's missing and then automatically install a fresh copy and driver file for you. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.